Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the area and tools. This saves time and prevents damage. First, wear gloves and remove the outer trim or cap by gently prying with a plastic tool. Once you see clips, depress them and pull the mirror housing slightly away to expose the glass mounting plate. If wires are present, note their positions and gently disconnect any connectors now. Make sure adhesive surfaces are clean. Use adhesive remover on the old glue to expose the bare mounting pad before you proceed. You next dry fit the replacement glass so alignment is perfect. This prevents rework. Once aligned, apply 3M double-sided tape or mirror adhesive to the mounting plate in continuous strips. Avoid tiny separated dots that trap air. Press the glass into place starting from the inside edge and move outward to push out air. Hold firm for the adhesive's recommended set time. After securing, reconnect heating and signal wires, and test them now so you can adjust before the adhesive cures fully. You finish by reassembling the trim and confirming mechanical and electrical function. Adjust from inside to check movement and heater operation. Once done, leave the mirror undisturbed for the full cure period the adhesive maker recommends. This ensures a lasting bond. If you notice wobble, misalignment, or fogging later, remove the glass, clean both surfaces thoroughly, and reapply adhesive because contamination or air gaps cause most failures. Make sure to test again after cure to confirm the repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.